guys, Attorney Brent Boyer again. So the question is, what do you do if you cannot afford your child support? So there's certainly some strategies you can use here. If you're paying child support, the amount's too much, you're not able to keep going on that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, that'll help us out. So child support, child support's based on income. So if you can no longer afford the amount that you're paying, probably means, of course, that your income has gone down. So your first strategy, your obvious one, is to file a motion to reduce child support. That's important. You need to do that right away because the reduction in support is only going to take effect from the date that you file. So if something happens, you lose your job or you get reduced income, whatever's going on, and you wait a few months to see how it works out, and then you file for to reduce your support, you file a motion to reduce child support, you cannot go back in time. So if it's been 4 months and you've been out of work and now you file a motion to reduce support, your support is only going to be reduced from that day. You can't go back for those 4 months. The court's not allowed to do that even if they wanted to. So that's first thing to keep in mind, is take action right away. If you need to reduce your child support amount, make sure you file a motion with the court first and foremost. You do that. And beyond that, there's other strategies you can take. Of course, you should have someone take a look at the numbers. There's online child support calculators that give you a rough idea. We look at numbers for people all the time. Child support's based on your income. It's also based on the mother of the child and her income. It's based on number of overnights that you have with the child. It's based on who pays health insurance. So there's a lot of factors, but primarily it's income, right? It's your income, her income. Those are the primary things it's based on. So you would want someone to look at it for you before you go and file something with the court. But if you've had a major reduction in income, you're in good shape. You're probably going to need to get a motion to reduce child support filed. But are there other things that you can do here? Well, that's the main one. You certainly can talk to the mother of the child. If you're if you have a working relationship with that person, it's possible that they can agree to reduce your support. If that happens, of course, you need to make sure that goes through the court. If you have a court order to pay support and then you're going to get an agreement from the mother of the child to reduce that amount, you need to reduce the amount through a court order as well. You can't have a court order that says you're supposed to pay $800 a month and an agreement that you're going to pay $400 a month and not put anything in writing or not go through the court to do that. So maybe that's obvious, but you want to keep an eye on that. Keep that in mind, that if you make an agreement with the mother of the child, you need to take the right steps to get that done, and really your best bet on that is a court order. Anything short of an order filed through the court is really not going to help you, not going to be what you need. But there's the motion to reduce support that gets filed through the court. It gets handled through front of the court, which is just a part of the court system. So hopefully that helps. Thanks.